Hi guys, in this post I'm going to show you how I organize my extensive sewing magazine collection. I hope you enjoy. Do remember to like and subscribe for new sewing related videos every week. I start off by putting out all of my sewing magazines in one place. So my sewing magazines kind of live all over the house. Some are in the dining room, some are in my bedroom, some are in the sewing cave, and some are in my home office. So in order to do the reorganization, I got all of them out and I put them in one place. And with a little help from my kids, we're going to sort and arrange and make sure that we've got a system where I know and I can easily access where each magazine is. We are actually sorting by each publication type. So Burda style and then by the year. So we've got a pile for Burda style 2018, Burda style 2017, Burda 2016, for example. And then for KnipMode, we've got the separate years that I had the subscription for. And the kids are being very helpful, although in all honesty, it probably would have taken a lot less time, but we had fun. Yeah, we still need to sort them all out.
What's 2013. I can find a place to put them with.
But so you just put all those really old ones that we haven't put in.
Where did that come from? Oh no.
Mama, this is taking forever. How is there 2 tens in my pile?
There's 2 tents. Oh, it's because I've got one German and one English one.
I only get to 10.
No.
10. There should be 12.
I only get to 4. 6. 12. 9.
Right, so the 2017 when it's done.
This is in order except for don't have all the numbers.
Okay. So when it's have you got your pile sorted? Let's see. So you sort out the 2012 pile. We eventually managed to work out 4 piles of sewing magazines for the kids' sewing patterns, and then we had 3 piles of KnipMode covering 2017, 2018, and then 2019. And over here we have the non-Burda and non-KnipMode women's sewing magazines, mostly the ones that I get from Europe, from the continent. And over here are the piles of Burda magazines. I only have 2 complete sets from 2016 and 2017 and 2018. The post-it notes have the issues that are missing from those years, and these ones are random issues that I have bought on eBay over the last year or so. It is very satisfying to see all of them sorted out in these neat piles. The next step was to put them into the storage boxes. So I have these storage boxes that I love making using old cardboard boxes that I wrap up in wallpaper or in wrapping paper that I like, and I've sorted them into these lovely storage boxes. So the post-it note on there tells me which issue is missing, so that when I am shopping on eBay for the back issues, I know exactly which ones to get. So you can see on there, I made sure that everything has got a label and I will know where to get them. Currently the KnipMode 2018 and 2019 are sharing one caddy because there isn't an awful lot of them. All my random Burdas are in one caddy, and I have written on there which issues I have for which year. This is not their permanent home. I just have them there for now because I plan on moving them eventually into my bookcase that's over here, and I want to put them inside the bookcase because I don't like the idea of dust settling on them. I tend to prefer everything to be covered over. So very quickly, I wanted to show you this neat little caddy that I got recently, which is going to store my tracing stuff and all of the things that I need for cutting out fabric, because I tend to do that downstairs. And I also wanted to show you these neat little flumes that I bought from IKEA, and they're basically collapsible cardboard box magazine storage things, which are very, very useful for storing your sewing magazines or your sewing patterns, or indeed any magazines really. So yeah, and they're dead cheap. The links are in the description box down below. But I'm very happy with how everything has turned out. Everything looks neat and tidy, and I can see exactly what's what and where is what, and I love my pretty boxes. I expect that I will be making loads more of those. So here they are in their pride and glory, and I can't tell you how satisfying it is to do a reorganization of the sewing magazine collection. We actually discovered that I had 2 magazines that were in duplicate. So there's a giveaway that's going to be coming up very soon. My next video, I'm going to share with you how I actually access my collection online digitally, how I organize it so that I can access it wherever in the world I am, as long as there's a good internet connection. So I'm quite excited about making that video. But for the meantime, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button for new sewing related videos every week. I also have a Facebook group and a Facebook page, and the links are in the description box down below. Until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.